how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share an Instagram story to your profile in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, go to the Home section and find the person whose story you want to repost. Tap on their story and find the specific story you want to share. Now, tap the Share or Paper Plane icon at the bottom of the screen. If the story can be shared, you'll see the Add to Story option. Tap on it. You can now preview the story and add text, stickers, or other elements if you want. Once you're ready, tap Your Story to share it. Wait a moment for Instagram to finish posting the story. Finally, go to your profile and tap your story to confirm that it has been posted successfully. And that's it. That's how you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your own profile. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Instagram tips and tutorials.